Hey YouTube, I have a motherboard here from the self-storage unit, and this motherboard controls a bunch of locks on self-storage and the gate. I don't really know much about this motherboard, but I was asked to see if I can do anything, if I can fix it, because this is not the first board they had to replace after every power surge. Actually, not the power source, but the lightning. Once in a while, after the lightning, it blows up, and the company that they use replace the board and charge them a pretty good amount of money. So I came out and tested it out, because there's not much I can do without the schematics, and I don't understand what's going on with this board. But the only thing, what I found, I came with my thermal cam, and the only thing I was able to see while it was connected, that the diode, this diode actually took it out in this spot, was heating up pretty bad at about right here, 275 Fahrenheit. So it was heating up pretty good. So I took it out, tested it, it's fine. So there was a short down the line, and what I figured out after some testing and injecting a little bit of voltage, that this IC is next in line that heats up. And if I'm gonna check this contacts right here, I did not mess with that IC. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace this IC, which is the main one. I already received it. I'm gonna replace this IC next to it just in case, and this diode. So all the parts I got in stock. So this IC is SI8442AA. I received a B, which I checked in the data file. It's actually the same. The data sheet is the same as AA or AB is the same. And these parts, this I had to order from China actually, because I wasn't able to find it here in US. And this diode and another IC I was able to find on DigiKey. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here's some more closer look at the numbers, just in case you have the same board. So I'm going to replace those elements. The main thing I'm going to replace, actually, I'm going to take off this this IC and see if there's still a short there on that line. And I'm going to switch to my microscope to take a closer look. Take a closer look at the ICs. Another thing that kind of gives me hope that this might be the issue is some flux around these components. Yeah, this one actually. I was giving you the wrong IC originally. This is the IC I'm gonna be. This is the main IC that's heating up right here. Turn it around. SI8442AA. Come on. Okay, so this one. And there's some flux around it. Okay. Let me change it back. Yes, this is the IC we're talking about. Not the one I showed you first, it's right here. This one is heating up. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this IC, check if we still have a short. And I'm gonna update if I'm gonna finish uploading this video before it was tested. I'll add some notes if it actually fixed the issue or not, or maybe I'll just wait for them to let me know. Okay, so the IC is out, and that's the reading here on these two pins. Let me move it closer. Okay, so that's perfect. I'm gonna actually solder this new one in and see if it changes. Okay, the IC is in. I did not clean it yet. We'll clean it later, but it's in place. And checking here, as you can see, short is gone. Okay, so I'm gonna replace, as I said, I'm gonna replace this IC as well, just in case. I'll save it just in case as well. And I'm gonna replace this diode, which is right here, and hopefully that will be good to go. Hopefully. All right, 2 ICs replaced, board cleaned up, and this diode is replaced, and we have some reading here which is not in short, and hopefully that will fix it.